Inside your folders should be your updated roster. We are going to account for our students first and foremost the old-fashioned way with paper rosters. Once you have cleared with the paper roster, please allow a student to hold the green sign showing that your class is done. Once you've done that, then I'd ask for you to go to the Raptor app and try to do your accountability on the app. It is good practice. So we're going to do things the old-fashioned way first, then we're going to practice on the app. Remember, account for yourself, not only your location, but that you're accounted for. Do the same for the students. The old-fashioned way first, then the use of technology second. Have a beautiful morning.
Stay together, right? Oh,
This is an evacuation drill based on a fire. At this time, I need for you to evacuate the building. It is 2 minutes early and I apologize for that, teachers. This is an evacuation drill. Please evacuate the building.